This is exactly what it looks like. We are in a taxi with one of Big Shaz's wheels because she just keeps throwing them off. Because she's a sassy bitch like that.
He wants to change the car, exchange the cars.
There she is. Cool. Do you want to take this one or the spare one?
This thing is bent, which is supposed to go through here, which holds the tire up, so we can't get the actual tire off, because why would it be easy? That wouldn't be Konvoy style.
So after the mission is finally done, our new friend Torek has agreed to stay with us and help out. He knows a tire place nearby. He just finds it fascinating that we're here.
Yeah.
We are currently in the car bazaar on the tire street. No lack of tires here, although we just tried 2 shops and they don't have our tire, so fingers crossed we're gonna find one.
We're just tire shopping. Just a cash over there in Konvoy.
Shoe shopping!
The rim shop.
How much did that new tire cost you?
It was about, give or take, €8 for a new old tyre and the changing of it. And now we're trying to find our taxi guy Torek, who's been super keen. He's been hanging out with us all day. Right, there he is. I think he thinks we've never done this before, and he's being really kind and caring. This is exactly what it looks like. We are in a taxi with one of Big Shaz's wheels because she just keeps throwing them off. Because she's a sassy bitch like that.
Hold on.
All the possible lights are on right now. That's so you know the trip is getting closer to the end.
Look inside the fuse box, Henry. There you go. Comes with a free manual.
So we're at the car garage. Basically the tyre hit the brake line, so now the whole cable has to be removed and replaced with a new one. But they're having troubles trying to actually get the cable out. So far the batteries come out, the fuse box. They're slowly removing bits and bobs so they can actually get the whole cable out, and then we can get a new one.
There's a soup with chickpeas, with some meat, and then there's just floating fat pieces with some coriander.
We think it's the workers' pastry. I saw a guy eating the insides out with a spoon. So I think it's a bit like our Cornish pasty where they have the pastry with the filling. If you're a mechanic or something, your hand's dirty, you buy it, you get your spoon, eat it out. But obviously we're not doing mechanics, so we're eating the bread too.
So we're having a marshmallow slumber party here back of a Big Shaz because she's ripped wide open and then now the accelerator's not working. First problem was no brake lights, and we ended up with no accelerator. Yoo-hoo! And it's about 2 degrees outside.
We've taken a bit of a step backwards. We're handling it well.
Competition.
Let's put a movie on someone's phone and wait out the storm.
We are going to see if the Big Shaz is fixed yet. It's another case of yes, maybe. We'll see what happens when we get there. But the flamingo's working, so that's halfway, right? 50%?
Everyone has their different styles, so I'm just checking. If we were on the boat and I just took the chicken away. Yeah. I think that's quite easy.
You guys are in for the group, yeah?
How's it feel having a car fixed next to you while you eat?
Are they fixing it?
It's easiest if I just do this. That's around.
After all the fuckery at the mechanics, we now can never ever let this go out of battery, just in case the accelerator will never start again. So we're now taking all the bulbs out of the lights because it's easier than doing the fuses. That's great.
Ooh, oh my god, they'd be so good for the wraps.
Yeah.
Oh, good, thank you. How are you?
You from?
I'm from England and he's from California.
California?
So, there's this page I follow on Facebook, which is about a guy who in 1955 drove a Land Rover from London to Singapore. I followed their page because there's a guy like our age that basically found one of the vehicles in the UK and is recreating the journey. And guess where they are? They're parked here.
In Bukhara, yeah.
And they invited us to go have dinner with them.
When I told them what kind of car we had, they were just kind of like, what the fuck?
So we were invited to meet the Last Overland crew for a drink, for a beer. So we're just walking around Bukhara now, trying to find somewhere that's kind of cheap where we could sit and have a drink.
We drove a £75 car around the world. That's how we started.
Around the world?
Who speaks Russian?
I do.
Could you please order 2 bottles of vodka?
Last Overland! It was so lovely to meet you guys.
To all of you.
Running away from real life.
Get a real
Since
job.
2016.
Wait. Gear.
First of all, actually, this is working.
And
Ish.
maybe it's the cold is helping. Alright. Come on.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. It's like 1 degree and that just kind of straight to life. So it's taken us 92 days, but that's finally started to work. Don't know what that one's about. That's just a handbrake, that's fine. That now tells me that this door is open. Technology, living in the future.
I guess choose kind of what you want.
Choose your own adventure.
Yeah, it's definitely energy. That's definitely.
And we now have the age-old problem of where do we find diesel. There's kind of like an online resource of like where diesel might be, but I don't know. There's only so many places we can ask, and now we can just hopefully find somewhere. Someone's feeling sprightly.
Nah, I'm just trying to move so I can feel my legs again.
Do they still bend?
Yeah.
Judge, your best impression of a tumbleweed?
You're absolutely.
Just take your hair out.
She thinks if she's been somewhere and someone in that place thinks it's a country, it should be a country.
It's a country.
So London's now a country. Roughly dry chicken skin.
Easier.
Yeah, it's part of the meat. It's not unjustified like
So we've just been given Sharpies and we get to write our names and where we're from on the pillar of this little corner shop.
Put dill with onion. Yeah. Wait, what's happening?
Oh my god. Jesus Christ. So the hotel is not where Matt said it would be. Surprise, surprise. So we're now just scouting out, but all these buildings look pretty dead. There was a really fancy building back there though, which I'm really hoping it's that one, because that would be amazing. But it might be this one too.
Looks dead.
No, that's a police.
We can sleep in a police station. So we got here, the price was like $5 or $6 more. Haggle negotiated, said we're a big group, and they knocked it down, $8 per person. Everyone gets their own twin room or double room with their own shower and stuff. Hopefully, no surprises, it's gonna be a great place.
You stay at the fancy hotel, act like you're fancy.
This is like the roughest this place has ever seen.
Ready?
Go on. Ah, is this the sweeping view?
No, yeah, the view's amazing. Look.
Brilliant.
The TV still has the goddamn wrappers on.
Yeah, they haven't even taken the mud out of our plastic bag yet.
We have a hunch we might be the first guests to ever stay here, hence the insanely low price. Also, warm showers. Haven't had a shower?
Amazing.
Shampoo. Right there.
Yeah.
I literally got so hyped about the shampoo. Shower pods. We have free shower pods. We have toilet paper. Oh, hey. So Henry and Dom open their room up to air. We met a new friend from Kyrgyzstan. She's amazing.
Come to Bishkek. What I'm gonna toast for is like to have some dreams, to explore the world and to see what is new.
Look deep and insightful. Imagine you're cycling to your cycling playlist. Oh man, that's so deep. What are you reading about? Life?